This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by BobKory Team. Beautiful Perry home in Shadow Creek Ranch. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, open concept, split floor plan home. Custom-built screened patio. Large master bedroom. Master bath has double sinks and separate shower and tub. Large family room, formal living. Oversized utility room with tons of storage and clothes drying rack. Check it out today. For more information, review the details below or contact BobKory Team at 281-394-4608.